Good afternoon guys. Today I am going to install transparent scratch guards for the door sill. I have already made a dedicated video regarding this where I have installed this particular product in Altros. The same procedure I will do it for my Ford Fiesta Classic. Now before installing, you must clean this area with the help of shampoo water. So that any remaining traces of wax or anything or any debris that is there is removed properly. Okay, so it is clean now. Now I will install this particular product. Install from this area to this area because this is the area where most of our feet gets scrubbed up. So let us install it. Absolutely perfect. So like this I have successfully installed this particular transparent scratch guard. As you see, there are some air bubbles, but this will gradually go away as the area gets heated up. So like this I have installed this transparent scratch guard, and I will do this particular thing to all the four sides like this. So if you find the video useful, please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries regarding this particular product, you are free to contact me in the comment section below. Thank you very much and thanks for watching.